What's up everyone, been a while, just doing a market review here on Nasdaq. So today is Sunday 1st of October, Friday is trading the 29th September 2023. It's quite a good day's, a bit of price action, so just going to do a bit of a breakdown here. So let me just note my levels here. So going from a 4-hour perspective here now. I cleaned my chart, I had everything outlined here, but I just cleaned the chart for the sake of basically showing. So as you can see here in the 4-hour, we have our fair value gap, or not fair value gap, sell side imbalance, buy side inefficiency. So, well, I would consider a fair value gap of sort, but actually it's a SIBI. So we have our sell side imbalance, buy side inefficiency here. I'll just copy that there. And note this one as well. So right in this area here we have our sell side imbalance, buy side inefficiency, going down into our 1 hour Friday's trading. I'll actually just show you the week. So every week this is basically how you want to be starting off your trading. Basically you want to just break down from obviously the start of the week. What I like to do, get Friday's close at 4 o'clock and mark out Sunday's opening here. So straight away we have our new week opening gap here, using the bodies here of the range. So as you can see, we had our opening at 4 o'clock with our close. So at the body there, do my horizontal line, and then at 6 basically Sunday, same case here at the open. So new week opening gap here. New week opening gap, and okay, your Fibonacci tool. Mark out the halfway point here. I always like to do it usually with the strong black line, and then go down to 1 and do my dashed line like that. Just looks cleaner. So as you can see now, we can get rid of this. So there's a new week opening gap here. Our official week opening here. There, okay. And as you can see, throughout the week, not a whole lot. There's shades there, but to be honest, I thought Friday was the most cleanest. I have all the price. I'm gonna just go back here. Let you look at the news calendar there. So mainly the focus was later on in the week. As you can see, Monday not much. Consumer confidence there on Tuesday. Wednesday not much really. And Thursday and Friday had mainly the main amounts of volatility in the market. So as you can see here on an hourly perspective, down here we have our fair value gap. Right there. As you can see, a nice little stop rate going into New York, seeking these lows here. Oh, excuse me. So solid. Right there. We have a raid on stops here. Right at that area there. I'm actually going to move that just there. And as you can see, my price came back up here again. Slowly retraced in. It retraced right into that fair value gap there. Cleanly. Entry would have been right on this candle here. As trade was coming down, this candle here, boom. Closed back up here. And as you can see, moved up nicely. Where was it going to from here? right into that little 4-hour imbalance there. And let me just show here. I'll look at the 30-minute. As you can see, we had liquidity bill resting right here. Over time, you'll notice shit just starts to pop off at the screen. These things have always been here, but how do you know they're there if you don't even know they exist? But look at that little liquidity bill there. Look how clean all this looks. Beautiful. Sorry, I didn't mean to open that. Click the fucking ad by mistake. Yeah, so I'm gonna break down Friday's trading because this is where mainly I was trading. So let me show you there. So we have Friday's opening here. I'm on a 5-minute chart here. Just the whole price over here, just stuck in this range there. Just lots of back and forth consolidation there. As you can see over here, price respecting that level right there quite nicely. I'm gonna done out our times, so we have 3 o'clock in the morning to 5 o'clock is our London session. Our London session there. Going over to here, we have New York. I'm actually going to get rid of this here because it's just messing up with looking at the times. Actually no, what I'll do is I'll get rid of this, get rid of this. And now it's New York outlined there, and we have our official equity open here. Actually no, what I'll do is I'll get rid of that. Do this. We have our silver bullet hour there, and I'm just going to show PM session over here. The market's all time based, so you want to know these times off by the back of your hand. So I'm going to put that in as, I'll give it a baby blue. PM session equities. And yeah, here we are. I'm going to just show the lunch hour. We'll give that purple. Now, so that I have important times denoted on the chart there. I'm going to break it down even further. So, what we have here. What was that? That was an hourly. Bearish order block. I'm getting twisted on my words here today. I'm actually fucking bollocks. So, excuse me if I'm saying some things wrong because, yeah, I'm actually tired. So I'm gonna just show that here. You have a fair bit of up sell there. If you notice right here, right, so on this big movement down, okay, looking after sweeping these lows here, so there's two things I want to show you about this area. So if you notice, we had sell side liquidity here, pushed down, took out that liquidity, returned back into this area here. So on this big pass down, if you notice, there's this little candle here, all that's been filled essentially. So when price came down, came back up, between that there and there, price returned back up into fair value gap, sold off. And if you notice the consolidation here, consolidation can act basically as like a resistance, so to say. So like if you notice here, it didn't break this consolidation and go back up all the way over here, it stayed within that range of the consolidation. I'm actually going to get rid of that box there, but yeah, you can see all there. And I'm going to break it down further here. So these were the trades I was placing. I'm going to show you now. So during the silver bullet hour, we have at 9:50 to 10 past 10, we have our macro time and price. If you notice here, all while inside of this silver bullet time frame. This is a time macro. We have an entry right there, as you can see, sell right in this area as price was trading up into it, take off right there, took out the liquidity, traced back up into this sell side imbalance, buy side inefficiency on the 4 hour. If you notice here, we have another order block right there. I'm actually going to use the low of that candle there. We have, I'm actually going to get rid of that blue line there because that's the cleaner one here. So this is the order block there. So this was an order block basically essentially on the 1 minute inside of one on an hourly time frame. So as it came up here, it hit the one on the hourly time frame as well as this one here on a 1 minute time frame. So it's like an order block inside of an order block, essentially on different times. So you can see that there. We have a bearish order block here. Fuck me, I'm tired. And once I tag that, then sold off nicely. So what I was seeing was, it was Friday, so as you can see we have this run here. See this little run up here? I'm going to use that as a swing point. See this swing low to this swing high. Take my Fibonacci. Oh shit. Right, I'm gonna have to get rid of that. As you can see, literally just got 2 standard deviations to the tick. So that's 14659.9. The low on that candle is 14660.5. So literally tagged it just by a little bit. And then the trade back off. This is all in the PM session. So if you had it sold inside of here, held it all the way to here, would have been the PM session. So you would have been holding the trade from 10 AM New York time to half 2 New York time. I actually sold I sold in this area here, and I actually closed it down here, and then I got a trade later on in the day during the PM session. So let me show you here. One minute. Okay. So the official starting time for any PM or AM, it's actually 9:30 New York time, but I usually let that play out until about 10. So really once it starts to kick into the macro time, so 10 to 10, 10 past 10, that's when I'm looking really at the PM AM session. I'm not really looking at it at that opening, because as you can see here, that's all it was doing during the open there. It's just giving us our impulse swing there. So if you come around to our PM session there, obviously it's beginning here, officially about 2 o'clock is when I'd want to be looking at it. So we have our consolidation, comes up here, hits into the new week opening gap, returns back down, and what it did was a stop run right there. So any traders essentially buying in here, price came up, tagged them out, stopped out their position there. Stop run there. Once it broke that little high here, if you notice, once it broke that, returned back into here. Fair value gap right there. As you can see, nice. Where was our impulse swing here? Right there. Measure this. Where did it go up to? 1 standard deviation. Where was I eyeing up? I'll show you now. Our sell side imbalance by 7 efficiency. That's where I was eyeing for. So this was the last real trade of Friday, going into the weekend here. As you can see, nice fair value gap entry there. And if you had a bought in that return in there, yeah, it was nice. If you had your TP basically essentially looking like this. So yeah, and aim for that 1 standard deviation level there. Boom, beautiful. You could have waited for it to go up here, but yeah, like you're using that as the draw. It doesn't necessarily have to get there. I'm using this as my profit target level. And as you can see, once I tapped that, traced off it, stayed inside this new week opening gap here, the 50% there, just stayed in and around, and then boom, got the fill there, filled that range in, and then tanked off for the rest of the day. And one last thing, if you notice, going there now. So that was our PM session there. And we had more macros in here. And yeah, they're doing their bits. So I hope GA enjoyed the little breakdown there of Nasdaq's trading there on Friday. A lot was going on here. Whole lot was going on. Lots of opportunities were there, as you can see. very good days trading, lots of clean price action, and yeah, hope you enjoyed. Oh, I actually nearly forgot to close off the video. So I've officially passed my Top Step 50k account, so I'm not going to show that there because I have to log in. Do you know what, I might show it anyways, I can just cut the video. Okay, so I wanted to show my Top Step dashboard. It's, I don't know, broadband issue or something, pages and loading. But yeah, I've basically completed the combine, passed the $50,000 one. Just said fuck it, bought another one. I have passed that, so I obviously reached my 3k profit target, and I had to make an extra K on the combine because I'd done too much of one trade previously the other day, and I hit the 4k profit target then, and now I've passed my account. So all I need to do now is do the activation fee. Once that's done, then I'm getting a fucking withdrawal, boys. Let's get it. Yeah, so look, this is the end of the video. I wanted to show you the dashboard there, but it's not loading, so fuck it, I'll probably stick something up on the community tab. But if you enjoyed the video, if you enjoyed the breakdown, and obviously it helped clarify some price action for you, I hope it did. I hope you enjoyed the video, and until next time, like and subscribe. Safe trading.